Car's in park, it's off. Police department, open up the door. Open the door.
41, put them over just about on the floor.
Hey there.
Hey.
What you doing?
Florida, Robert Queen Mary, Ida,
Sleeping?
16.
You got your driver's license on you?
Split on a.
Can you hand it to me? I need your driver's license, please, ma'am. Go to my truck and get my big metal clipboard for you. Your driver's license, please, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
Oh,
Do you know where your driver's license is at?
shit. I'm so sorry.
There we go. Are you Lisa?
Man.
That's your name? Can you step out here for me, please?
Yeah, it's gonna be Lisa Marie Leathers.
10-4.
Oh, you peed in the seat.
Right from the start, the officer notices several warning signs: confusion, delayed responses, and difficulty following simple instructions. These early observations aren't just casual conversation. They're part of what officers use to build reasonable suspicion for a DUI investigation. But the real question is, are these signs enough to prove impairment beyond a reasonable doubt?
No. I didn't.
He did. Look,
No, I didn't.
what is
Okay.
that?
Well, we can figure that out later. Come step over here for me.
Lisa,
Let's go my phone.
no. Lisa, go over there with him. No, you don't need your phone. Leave your phone. Leave your phone and stuff in here. Lisa. Hey,
Oh.
leave your phone and stuff right here. Leave it up here or somewhere. Leave your vape in your purse. All right, go have a couple.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you able to stand on your own?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to go to the end of this white line here. Go grab a pair.
I'm unable to perform.
I need to go grab a pair. You got some?
Get them up my pocket. Lisa, where did you come from? Whiskey's? Could have been far. Just
Come from a friend's house? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to check your eyes. I want you to stand with your feet together and your arms down by your side for me, okay? All right, I want you to look at the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Try not to move your head for me, okay? Harmon, catch the side here. Do you see my finger? Try not to move your head. All right. Are you wearing contacts?
Yes.
Yes. Are they for close-sightedness or far-sighted?
Yes, I did.
Nearsighted? All right. Place your left foot on the line for me. Place the right heel. Please, excuse me. Put your right heel against the toe of your left foot. There you go. Place your arms at your sides. Oh, okay.
Okay. I don't want to.
You don't want to do it? You want to try again?
Well,
Here's where the encounter takes a legal turn. Field sobriety tests are designed to help officers assess impairment, but many drivers mistakenly believe they must be read their Miranda rights before every question. In reality, roadside DUI investigations follow different legal rules, and that confusion often makes the situation even worse.
well, what are my rights? I need to know.
I'm trying to figure out if you're safe to operate a motor vehicle. There's no reason to read you your rights.
No, could I have my mom?
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform these exercises?
Could I have my mom?
Can you have a mom?
I have a mom.
You have a mom.
I have a mom.
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform these exercises?
Can I have my mom?
No, ma'am.
Asking for her mother shows just how overwhelmed she appears in this moment. But emotionally struggling doesn't stop an arrest if officers believe they have probable cause. Once that legal threshold is met, the investigation shifts from testing to custody, and things can escalate very quickly from here.
You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
Walk that way. Hey. Walk this way, okay?
6-1 penalty.
It's probably gonna be told. There's a way to start. I need you to get in there, have a seat, all right? All your belongings will go with you. I'll bring your phone and wallet or whatever. I know, awesome. Yes.
Can you please call him?
Who is that to you?
That is my brother.
That's your brother?
Yes, son.
All right.
Please call him.
Get in there, and I will call Gio.
Okay.
Get in.
All right. Scoot back.
Please call him, son.
You need to scoot back.
Please
Get
call
in.
us out.
Hey,
We
get
will.
Get
Get in
inside. You gotta get inside, no matter what.
Okay.
So we need to sit back.
Yes. Please call us out.
Watch your feet. Your key is toasted right now. Step up.
So close.
Yeah, I can tell.
Sure.
Go ahead. Tip, will each copy that. Go to the store. Up in here. I can see that blue chair or black chair in the corner. If you would log observation start at 118. 61. Yeah.
3 DUIs.
3 previous convictions.
I don't see convictions under them, but there is 3 from 3 different years.
Okay.
Her cage is not that long, just those.
Okay. Thank you. You're gonna be cool? Are you gonna be chill?
Obviously, I'm not gonna be a crazy person.
Well, I don't know. You don't know me. For my own safety.
So, officer,
Yep.
do you have my phone?
Yep. And your keys.
Am I allowed to call my mom?
After we get done here. Open your mouth for me so I can make sure that you don't have anything in there like bubble gum.
Oh, yeah.
Lift your tongue down the other way. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Did you arrest me?
Yep.
I'm not gonna let me have my phone.
Not in this room.
This may be the most important decision of the entire encounter. Refusing a chemical breath test isn't simply saying no. In many states, that refusal can trigger automatic penalties and even additional criminal charges. One answer here could dramatically change everything that happens next.
I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take this test?
No.
Okay. If you do not provide a breath sample, you're going to get another charge. So you will get 2 charges.
I refuse.
Okay. Once this time runs out, I will afford you one last opportunity. If you choose not to, that's totally up to you. But if you decide to, you're more than welcome to.
Sorry.
We get 8 minutes. Don't hit that.
Okay.
Because you were sleeping?
I was leaving.
You were leaving? You were going the wrong way to leave.
But do you have a heart?
I do have a heart, just not for people who are dangerous on the road.
Didn't I match on you at Tinder? Like, please stop. Like, let's actually, like, listen
Did
to
you
me.
match with me on Tinder? No, I'm married and haven't had Tinder, so. You want to go on?
No, why would I?
You don't want to?
Why would I do that?
Alright, you're getting an extra charge.
An extra charge?
Yep. So I have plenty of opportunity, you get another charge.
Wait, what?
Yep. For refusing to submit from office of your breath.
I didn't know that.
I explained it to you and you said no, so.
You did. Oh, there was another paper.
Yeah.
The consequences are now becoming crystal clear. The officer explains that the refusal itself creates another charge, and then reveals something even more serious, a fourth DUI allegation. Repeat offenses are often treated far more harshly, with significantly higher penalties and the possibility of prison time.
Yeah, this is to suspend your license for your fourth DUI. Stand up.
You're gonna...
Stand up, or I'm going to assist you up. Stand up. Can you come to the holding cells, please?
I can have my phone.
Yeah, and once we get outside, I've got some stuff I gotta do. Because you peed on your clothes and in your car, I've gotta wipe everything down in there now.
Don't mind me.
61 Panel Beach. That female will be 1015 for signal 1, signal 18. She'll also be 1015 for refusal. All right, stand up. Stand up.
No.
Yes.
We're not gonna do that.
Stand up.
We're actually not gonna do that. Oh my god.
All right, you're gonna stand up
What's wrong with
and
you?
stay right there.
What is wrong with you?
Now let's walk.
You said I could get my phone.
Yeah, which is in my car outside. Step up. In my car. I'm gonna be a while because now I'm gonna do a complaint for signal 18.
Like, I don't need to have my arms on my back. Like, let's undo that. Let's actually undo that. There's no solution. I'm not a criminal. Like, damn. I ain't a criminal.
She was officially...
Even though the arrest is over, the legal battle is only beginning. A not guilty plea means the prosecution must now prove every element of the case in court. Bodycam footage, officer testimony, chemical test evidence, or the lack of it, could all become crucial when a jury ultimately decides the outcome.